grandma name, they can shorten it as Olu. I their name go their daddy name, that grandpa. His name is Olu. I don't know. Temi. There's Temi. Somebody named Temi. There's one in my class, his name is Temi. But he has got it to me. So now, Kolaye, Olu Sugar, Temi. That one, Ogun, yeah, one. Yeah, there's somebody named Ogun. Give me toilet seat. Ogun.
That's what the name
Oladapo, okay, street. Oladapo.
Enemy in sight. Enemy contact. Take it down.
Hello,